friends, my name is Aman. I am going to tell you a story, The Pied Piper of Hamelin. So let's begin. I am going to tell you that story. In that, the people sat to the head of the town, and now I am going to start the story. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful town in the middle of the hills. Okay, and there were so many rats, hundreds and hundreds, thousands and thousands of rats in a house. And once upon a time, the people were confused that why do these rats kill our pets? They will kill dog, cat, and that's why one of the men of that area go to the head of that town to say that sir, there are so many rats. They kill our pet like cats, dogs, and many other animals. And then he held a meeting to his officers, and just then there came a strange man wearing a hat on his head, and there was a feather stuck in it. And then he said to the head of that area that I can get you out from this problem. And then he took out a tune and went in the middle of the street and played his tune, and he started walking. Then all the rats, thousands and thousands of rats were coming out of every house. Then the people stopped at their places and started looking at him, and full space of the road was filled by those rats. Anyone was not walking, anyone was not riding vehicles, not even a single vehicle, not even a cycle. And then he took all his tune and he kept playing, and then he go to a river, and the rat also go with him. And then he started dancing. Then the rats were about trying to dance, but they all dived into that river. And then he came to the head of that area and said, "Give me 10,000 bags of gold coin." And then he said, "What did you do so I should give 10,000 gold coins?" Then he got angry and started his tune and got into the streets. Then he took all the children and he go into a mountain. Then the children also go. He come out quietly and quickly, and then he covered that cave mouth with a big stone. And some people look at that incident and ran to the head of that area. Alas, the children could be saved, but the Pied Piper was not seen anytime. Bye. We'll meet in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe.